We are given the equation of a circle, x minus 4 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25, and we're asked to find the graph. Now, just looking at that equation, if I compare that equation to the standard formula, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where h comma k represents the center and r is the radius, I can see that I have a circle centered at, let's see, 4, 2, and the radius is going to be 5. I can see that. So step 1, plot the center. HK equals 4, 2. Now, how do I know that 4, 2 is the center? H is a number being subtracted from x in the given equation. That's a positive 4. K is a number being subtracted from y in the given equation. That's a positive 2. Okay, so we'll be plotting or graphing that point. Then step 2, measure the distance r for the radius. Well, r is going to be equal to the square root of the right side. Why is that? Because we know that in the standard form, the right side represents r squared. Therefore, to find r, you take positive square root. So that means we're taking the square root of 25, since 25 is on the right side. That answer is 5. Our radius is 5. We want to measure 5 units from the center, up, down, right, and left. Those will be the 4 points that appear on the circle itself. And then step 3, we're just going to connect those 4 dots. Remember, the center is not part of the circle. You don't connect that to anything. It's just the center. Here's our y-axis. Here's our x-axis. Now, I'm going to put marks on the y and x-axis, and I'm always going to put some numbers. I don't have to put numbers on every mark, but I have to put some numbers so you know what the heck I'm talking about. And don't forget this on your exams. You need to have some numbers on there. Okay, so I just threw in a couple of numbers, a few numbers that I knew were important. Now I'm going to graph my point in the center. Then I'm going to measure r equals 5 units up, down, right, left in just a moment. Okay, so these are important numbers. There's the center. That's located at 4, 2. That's 4 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis. Now I'm going to use r equals 5. I'm going to move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units up, 5 units down, 5 units to the right from the center, 5 units to the left, and then form the circle by connecting all those 4 outer dots together.